Hey, Skoolie Nation! On today's episode, the humans install the furring strips and complete other important tasks in the run-up to spray foam insulation. Stick around for the entire step-by-step process.
Killer Skoolie. Greetings, Skoolie Nation, and welcome to the Killer Skoolie channel. Broadcasting from the Killer Skoolie Orbital Command Center, I am Logan 12. As the humans settled in to build Location Bravo, work on the bus began again in earnest. To start with, they tidied up. Their king-sized pillow-top mattress in protective plastic. Next, they employed some temporary security measures. After that, measurements were taken so the required amount of lumber for the project could be purchased and kept on site. They also bought several boxes of self-drilling metal screws in various sizes. Don't forget to get yourself a large handful of 1/8 inch cobalt drill bits. You're gonna need them.
Hey, listen up, Skoolie Nation! The Killer Skoolie team has a little website. There you'll find ways to support the humans with this project. You can also find photos of the bus, conversion articles, and other helpful information. Check it out at killerskoolie.com and let us know how we can better serve you, the Skoolie Nation.
Thanks, Ed. That's Ed the undocumented space fungus, everyone. Great job, Ed. Female began by first completing the subfloor and the stairwell, using the same materials and methods from our subfloor broadcast. When the stairwell was finished, the 1" by 4" by 12-foot furring strips were positioned to begin. The humans wanted to create a thermal break between the hat channels and the furring strips. So using some of the leftover foam board, they improvised. Holding each board into place, the humans drilled pilot holes through the furring strips and into the metal hat channels. After the pilot hole was made, a self-drilling metal screw was driven until it bit metal, grabbed, and was driven to countersink for flushness. Time for the tip. In some instances, you may find it difficult or even impossible to mount a particular furring strip to the bottom of a hat channel. When this occurs, a 2-inch by 2-inch wooden section can be mounted to the side of the channel to give you something flush to mount to. In some areas, the humans were forced to remove bent screws, gnarled sidewalls, and other protuberances using the grinder. The human female also affixed some 1-inch by 2-inch vertical strips along the main sections of the walls to give herself some flexibility when mounting things later on. 1x2s were also used horizontally where deemed appropriate. When it comes to furring out the front and rear of the Skoolie, remember to use your critical thinking skills and creativity. When all that work is done, you'll be glad you did it. What's coming up next time, Ed?
Alright, Skoolie Nation, how about a thumbs up? The humans have multiple projects stacked up in preparation for the spray foam installation. Running lights, doors, and other minor projects are all getting their attention. If you'd like to see more Killer Skoolie broadcasts, click the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to activate notifications by clicking on the bell icon. And leave a friendly comment for us in the comments section so that we know our broadcast is reaching the surface of the earth.
That's right, Skoolie Nation. And don't forget to visit killerskoolie.com for more information. That's killerskoolie.com. Hey, Ed.
What's up, L12?
What happened to the door after the humans told it that it was being replaced?
Oh boy.
It got angry and became unhinged. Get it? Unhinged.
Thanks for watching, folks.
Killer Skoolie.